Going to get vaccinated. Today's the day. Oh, you can't be on here.
No, yeah, I want to be.
No, stinging, but it's okay. We did it! Thank goodness my appointment was at the time it was, because hello, it just started pouring outside. Said it wasn't gonna rain, so that's the most typical Toronto thing I've heard. It's definitely a little tender, and it stung like a motherfucker going in, but other than that, I feel great. Don't feel anything. I'll probably feel tired. That's what people have said. Just like have a lazy day. And it's raining and gross, so I'm gonna have a day to myself for once. And like I've said before, I have a hard time with giving myself time to just chill, and this is the perfect excuse to do so. So I'm gonna go get my comfies on, and I'm gonna make myself a little snacky poo, I think, and then maybe a peppermint tea, and I'm gonna go sit upstairs and watch Grey's Anatomy until I go to bed. I guess I can explain the process before I go. Get comfortable. You walk in, it was at CAMH, so they had like a pop-up. CAMH is a mental health facility and hospital in Toronto. And they had a pop-up for my postal code. You walk in, they like check your mail, they check your hotspot, because this one's particularly for one hotspot only. They check everything, and then you get in line and they tell you to take your coat off. Then when there's like one side is all tables that you walk up to, and you sit down when someone's ready, and a nurse gives you the vaccine. I had the sweetest nurse. She was so cute. She was this tiny little Filipino woman, and yeah, I just felt at home. I like lived in the Philippines with my boyfriend for a month and a bit, so I just felt like really good inside. I was like, this is all meant to be, because I was freaking out just a little. My palms were M&M sweaty, but it was okay. I was just freaking out because I'm like, oh my god, this is so weird. Like, it just felt so Twilight Zone to go in there, like just in a gym. Everyone just has masks on. We just like are going in and getting a vaccine, and it's such like a weird, it's just such a weird concept that life is like this, but it's all good. Got the vaccine, and then you wait on the other side, and they give you a little like time written out for when you're allowed to leave. They want to give you like a 10-15 minute window to make sure you don't have any, you know, issues. Anything you take in life, you could literally have a reaction to Advil, so it's great that they're doing that and that they're taking that precaution. And you know, anyone can have any reaction at any time to anything. That's just how I think in life. I don't think that the vaccine is ridiculous. I think it's a great thing, and I think that we should all try and get vaccinated so that we can just get on with our lives. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and then I left, and that was it. And then they gave me my appointment. It's in August, but they are starting to roll out second doses. My friend Emily just texted me. What's up, girl? She said that they're rolling out second doses in July, so hopefully if that goes well and they get a lot of doses in, that maybe they'll bump up appointments and call people in earlier if they come in, which I'm hoping is a thing, because I would love to get vaccinated faster so that I'm fully immune. Well, you're not really fully immune, but like, you know what I mean, ready to go. But yeah, I'm gonna go get my comfies on, and I'm gonna hang out upstairs and watch some well-deserved television time. I never do this, so I'm gonna allow myself to do it and just chill. Definitely stingy, and it's annoying because my skin here was already a little bit on fire because I think my nerve endings are coming back in a spot where my collarbone broke. When you have surgery and they cut you, you like sign off on the fact that like you're probably not gonna have feeling in certain places. This part of my shoulder's still been really, really numb, but the last 2 days it's been extra tingly, sunburny feeling. But I'm right-handed, so I thought I should probably just get the vaccine on this side if it's gonna be sore. But we got a double sting action going on right now. Sick. Hope you're all doing well, and I hope if you're in Toronto, I hope if you're anywhere in the world that you are finally able to get vaccinated and can also move on with your life. This is a great thing that it's happening finally. Anyway, bye. And look what's on the TV. Twister, oddly, is my comfort movie. Like, I love this movie so much. And it's on Netflix, and it's never been on Netflix, so I am so happy right now. I'm gonna curl up with my sore little arm, finish my little bagel, drink my little tea. I think I mentioned it last night, but if I didn't, or I didn't explain it enough, these bagels are unreal. Our friend makes them. The company will be linked in the description box. It's called Sherm's Bagels. They're named after his grandpa, I think. And they're so freaking good. They're like dipped in honey and salty and chewy and crunchy on the outside and really soft on the inside. They're unbelievable. If you live in the West End, you pick them up from Tommy's Wine Bar, which is also a great place to go to get some delicious treats, some wine, some beer, some really cool seltzer waters, all the things that you want. But yeah, definitely get your hands on some. So freaking good. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna watch Twister now. It's been 2 hours, I think. 3 hours since I've had the vaccine. My arm is very sore. I feel a little bleh for sure. I feel like kind of feverish. It's hard to explain. Like, I'm not hot like I have a fever, but there's like definitely a bit of a temp happening. Like my head's kind of warm up here. You know when you get a fever or you're getting a fever and your ear, like inside your ears get really warm? It's kind of what I feel. I feel a little bleh. To be honest, I need to take a nap. But I have to make dinner. Honestly, like, once I got home and I sat down and was hanging out, I felt like weird tingles, like the same kind of like pinchy, tingly feeling you get in your arm. I felt it like all over. I could totally be just making it up in my mind, but I'm pretty sure I felt that. I'm pretty intuitive, pretty into my body, very like on it. So I don't know. Someone else said they felt the same thing the other day when they were vaccinated. So it could be a thing. Just felt a little tingly. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty chill. Can't stop yawning. Other than that, it's pretty chill. I definitely don't want to do anything. And my arm is very sore. Oh, that muscle. It really just feels like somebody punched me in the arm so hard. That's about it. I'll update you later if I feel any different, which I highly doubt I will. So far, so good. I think I'm going to make some dinner. Yeah. I just had a bowl of it and it feels like it could use parm. Oh, my mom's phone hung up on us. Hello?
Yeah, okay, I'm going now. I went downstairs and I lost.
You lost your internet.
Yeah, I lost the feeds.
Okay, it's fine. I love you.
I'll call you tomorrow, see how you're doing.
Okay.
Okay, nighty night, love you.
Good night, love you.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay, bye. Anyway, I think it could use a little Parmesan cheesy. Oh, I have like my shrimp hair tie. Cute. I'm thinking it's just adding it once you like warm it up or whatever. I think that makes more sense. Yeah, it's good. It's alright. It's one of the like okay dishes. It's not super healthy, but it's not super heavy either, so yeah. It's alright. It's very photogenic, this meal. It just looks pretty. Steph, we got some food content for you.
Did it?
Yeah.
For you?
Yep. How am I a thief? You didn't even do anything yet. Hello. Today is Friday. It's the afternoon. It's 2 days post-vaccine. I'm just gonna put some makeup on because I feel like I should shoot a video while I have the time. Update on the Giorgio Armani. I actually really like it. If you watched my last vlog, you would have seen the drama that went down. I thought it was a little too not my color, but it's actually alright. I don't know what it does, but it's definitely a little bit darker than I would have originally picked, but it kind of oxidizes and melts into my skin somehow, and it looks alright. So I've been really enjoying it. I like the way my makeup sits. Yeah, it's just really nice on the skin. It's comfortable. It's lightweight. It really evens out your skin tone. Gives you a nice little like wash of coverage. I just bring it down my neck, and that way I make sure that if it is slightly too dark, then you can't really see it too much. I don't really like doing that, but it blends pretty well, and I haven't had any breakouts. I just find my neck skin very sensitive, so yeah, it's doing all right. And that's how easy that is. So last night I actually wasn't feeling amazing. I would have picked up the camera, but it just like wasn't the vibe. So around 11 p.m.-ish last night I started to get really nauseous and kind of like felt some chills going on. So I was like, I'm gonna run a bath, bring my core temperature back up, and you know, just relax. But then the bath, I guess, was just like way too hot. And I immediately thought I was gonna die. Like, it was just too hot. I was like, blah. and started to just feel really worse than I had already started feeling. Yeah, I stayed in there for a little while, not very long, couldn't last very long. I got out and I was just feeling super nauseous. And the bath was just too hot, so it kind of made me feel like I was gonna pass out. And my neck felt a little bit stiff. I just kind of felt icky again. Like I felt pretty good all day, and then just around the evening I started to feel a little ugh. And I just kind of went to bed and tried to sleep that off. And I was a little bit extra tired this morning, just kind of felt lethargic. But other than that, I feel pretty good. My allergies are definitely bothering me, so that's certainly not helping. Overall, it's a pretty chill experience to get vaccinated. And I thought I would document it just in case you're feeling a little nervy about getting the vaccine. If you had any concerns, always, of course, speak to your doctor about what is best for you, what's right for you. But yeah, I made the decision obviously to get vaccinated because I think it's the right one, personally. And if you don't, that's on you. You live your life. And we don't need to chat about that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little vaccination vlog. And like I said already, I hope that wherever you are in the world that you are able to get vaccinated soon, or get your second dose, or hopefully you're fully vaxxed. I mean, I feel like most of you are in the States. A lot of you that follow me on here, my stats tell me that anyway, that y'all are hanging out in America, and a lot of you guys are fully vaxxed, so congratulations. I wish. I just hope that things can start to open up again, because Toronto is still in a lockdown, even though we're starting to get vaccinated and stores aren't open and restaurants are still closed and stuff. So I'm just hoping that with this rollout and whatnot, that, you know, at least restaurants can open for the summer. That would be great. Let me know if you're vaccinated. Let me know if you're getting vaccinated in Toronto, if you're from Toronto as well. I really hope that we can all get vaccinated soon. I mean, I think next week 30 plus can get vaccinated, and then the week after everybody 18 plus can start to get the vaccine. So it's looking like most of us will be vaccinated by July, at least our first dose. So that's exciting stuff. And the amount of information we have about vaccines being wasted in hospitals and clinics, and people not showing up for appointments, or just like they have doses ready and no one really knows that you can like go and get a vaccine, is a little fucking alarming. Our government's dropped the ball a little bit, a lot bit, for Canada and Ontario, Toronto. So yeah, it's been interesting for sure. So I hope that you can all go get vaccinated. If you're able to wait in a lineup at a walk-in, go do it. The weather's getting nice. Remember to wear your sunscreen when you are outside waiting in line. Lots of these places have DJs, which is fun. Might even feel like you're at a club for a minute. But yeah, that's the vaccination vlog. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this one, and claps will never stop. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.